Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through how to turn on auto-download for attachments in Gmail, so you can access your files faster and without the hassle of manually downloading them each time. This quick and easy setting can save you time and make sure your important documents, images, and other files are ready whenever you open an email. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to adjust, because these settings are specific to each Gmail account you use. Once the app is open, you'll notice the menu icon at the top left. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Tap it to open the menu. From the list that appears, scroll down until you find the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and tap it. Here you'll see a list of all the Gmail accounts you've added to your device. Choose the account where you want to turn on automatic attachment downloading. After selecting your account, you'll be taken to a page with a variety of settings that control how Gmail behaves for that account. Scroll down through the options until you find the one called Download Attachments. This is the setting that controls whether Gmail automatically downloads email attachments in the background, so they're ready to view as soon as you open the email. To turn it on, simply tap the slider or checkbox next to Download Attachments so that it's enabled. Once it's switched on, Gmail will begin downloading attachments from new emails automatically when you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, depending on your device settings. That's it. You've successfully turned on auto-download for Gmail attachments. Now, whenever you receive an email with a file attached, you won't need to wait for it to download manually. It'll be ready to open immediately. This simple change can make a big difference for anyone who deals with attachments frequently, whether it's for work, school, or personal use. By ensuring your files are always ready, you streamline your email experience and save yourself from repetitive steps. Try it out today and enjoy the smoother workflow this setting offers.